Close your eyes for a moment.
What do you imagine when you hear Amazon? Perhaps colossal trees scraping the sky, a symphony of unseen creatures, or a river so vast it feels like an inland ocean. You're right. But the Amazon is so much more than a place on a map. It's an adventure for the senses, a living miracle, and a vital heart for our entire planet. And from here in India, its pulse reverberates across continents, impacting our very own monsoon winds and the air we breathe. Spanning 9 South American countries, this isn't just a forest. It's the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, twice the size of our own incredible India. Imagine a single drop of rain falling from the sky. In the Amazon, it can take up to 10 minutes for that drop to weave its way through the dense canopy, past layers of life, before finally touching the forest floor. That's how rich and layered this ecosystem is. But it's not just the scale that boggles the mind. It's the sheer, explosive diversity of life. The Amazon is a treasure chest, holding over 10% of all known species on Earth. That means 1 in every 10 species, from the tiniest insect to the mightiest jaguar, calls this place home. Imagine silently paddling down a hidden tributary, and suddenly, a flash of pink in the water, the elusive Amazonian river dolphin, a creature of myth and beauty. Or perhaps catching a glimpse of a powerful jaguar, the apex predator, moving through the shadows like a phantom. Not all encounters are gentle, of course. Beneath the surface, the Amazon River itself teems with life, including the infamous piranha, with jaws that can strip flesh in moments, and the colossal anaconda, waiting patiently in the murky depths. This is a place where every rustle, every chirp, every splash could be a new discovery or a thrilling encounter with the wild. For millennia, this incredible wilderness has been home to millions, including hundreds of indigenous tribes. These are the true guardians of the forest, holding ancient knowledge passed down through generations about medicinal plants, the rhythms of the seasons, and living in perfect harmony with nature. Their wisdom is as invaluable as the forest itself. The Amazon is often called the lungs of the earth, a giant air conditioner for our planet. Its trillions of trees continuously absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide, keeping our global climate in balance. It releases billions of tons of water vapor into the atmosphere every single day, creating flying rivers that influence rainfall patterns not just across South America, but potentially impacting weather systems as far away as India. But this incredible engine of life is under threat. A relentless tide of deforestation, driven by agriculture, logging, and mining, is devouring vast stretches of this irreplaceable wonder. Fires, often set to clear land, rage uncontrollably, turning green into ash. We're losing species before we even discover them, and disrupting global climate patterns with every felled tree. Scientists warn of a terrifying tipping point, beyond which large parts of the Amazon might transform into a dry savanna, a catastrophe for biodiversity, and a devastating blow to our climate. Yet, there is hope. Brave indigenous communities, dedicated scientists, and passionate conservationists are fighting tirelessly to protect this vital treasure. They're working to reforest devastated areas, establish protected zones, and promote sustainable living. We, too, have a role to play in the choices we make as consumers, in supporting conservation efforts, and in raising our voices. The Amazon isn't just a distant forest. It's intimately connected to our shared future. It's a reminder of the raw power and beauty of nature, and the urgent responsibility we all share to protect it. Let its wild spirit ignite the adventurer in you, and inspire us all to safeguard the lungs of our world for generations to come.